In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a digital planner with hyperlinks in Canva. We'll build a clean, clickable planner from scratch so you can flip between pages, just like a real notebook, but on your tablet or laptop. First, create a new design in Canva. An 8.5 by 11-inch canvas is a great all-purpose size that works well on most screens, and you can choose portrait or landscape depending on your style. Add the core pages you want in your planner: a cover, a monthly layout, a weekly layout, and a notes page. Keep things consistent by setting margins, picking a simple color palette, and using the same fonts throughout. It helps to give each page a clear title so you can recognize it later when you are linking. If you find a layout you like, duplicate that page to keep spacing and typography perfectly aligned across the planner. Next, create your navigation tabs. Head to the Elements tab and pick a simple shape, like a rectangle with rounded corners. Place your tabs along the side or the top edge, so they're easy to reach. Make them all the same size for a tidy look, and use contrasting colors so the labels stand out. You can stack tabs vertically for months' names or arrange them across the top for sections. Keep them a few pixels inside the page so nothing gets cut off in the final PDF, and use Canva's alignment tools to keep everything straight. Add short, clear text labels to each tab, like cover, monthly, weekly, and notes. Now link them. Select the text or the tab shape itself. Click the three dots menu, choose Link, and then select the corresponding page in your document. Canva lets you link directly to a specific page, which is exactly what makes these tabs interactive. Take a moment to check that the label on the tab matches the page you are linking to, and ensure the text is large enough to read at a glance. Once your tabs are fully linked on one page, copy that entire set and paste it onto every page of your planner. Grouping the shapes and text before copying makes it easier to move them as a unit. Place the tabs in the exact same spot on each page for a seamless experience, and quickly confirm the links carried over correctly. When you are done, click Share. Choose Download, and select PDF Standard. This format preserves the hyperlinks so your tabs will be clickable in the final file. Thanks for watching.